get the system.
This
Sorry.
is your ringmaster, Timothy Mouse. To make sure your flight's a safe one, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And be sure to watch your kids. To make Dumbo fly higher, just raise the magic lever right in front of you. Everybody ready? Then get ready to take off with the world's only flying elephant, Dumbo! Looks like we're coming in for a landing, gang. So please stay seated until Dumbo comes to a stop, and then you can walk to the nearest exit. Thanks for flying with the eighth wonder of the world, Dumbo!